truck is very tiring, but because of the fact that it is entirely self-imposed, I'm not going to whine about it. So I've got the milling machine loaded up. My trusty sidekick, Hector, hi buddy, is keeping me company, and we are heading up the Fraser Canyon so I can go home. It's already been a long day. It is not looking any shorter, so I will be lucky to get in before it's dark. And I've got to deal, of course, with a house that's cold. I really need to unload this thing today because tomorrow it's supposed to be snowing again potentially. So yeah, it's gonna be a long day. And I still gotta find food somewhere along the way. But so far, knock on wood, day is going well. One of my good tarps tore, which sucks because it's a campus tarp. So, oh well. But the mill is protected. It is sitting in the back, nicely cinched down. So I'm hoping the rest of this goes well, but I don't want to jinx it. So let's just see what happens. Just wait. Okay, stay. All right, buddy, come on. Oops. All right. That is a thing. Okay, straps are still good. Everything is still holding on, which is very important. Okay, that is definitely a thing. Yeah. Okay, tarp ended up tearing a little bit, so hopefully I can fix it and salvage it. But there we go. I need a break. And this is pretty much about as good of a spot as any because it's always usually a little bit warmer over here, and then usually head down to the water and relax a little bit. But there we go. Well, knock on wood, the truck is hauling well, so hopefully that continues. And I get home safely today. Right, Hector? Exactly. Okay, let's see how the rest of this goes. Still got a bit of a ways to go before I get home, and it's definitely been a long day already, but at least it almost feels like I'm home finally. Knock on wood, everything's going well, but hold on a sec. Actually, there's a nice part that's coming up over here. There we go. Well, there's still some ice on the lakes. I can see that. So I'm guessing mine is going to have the same thing. There's no way I'm going out there right now since it's already been thawing. But feels good to be back. Winter's not over up here yet. I was really hoping that either the mud has dried out or it's frozen, and that is neither the case. So I'm going to see how my driveway is doing, and if that's any better. So I might have to wait until Well, it might be better to wait until tomorrow morning to unload this. The road is as smooth as always. Great. There's still a little bit of snow, but looks like there's more mud. Hello, goats. How you guys doing over here? Hi. What? Oh, don't be all skittish. Where's the third one? Oh, there you are. All right. It is getting dark and it's getting cold. I see the goats are excited to see me. Wonder how the ducks are doing. Look at you guys all running around like crazy. It is way too dark to be doing this. Oh, I have ducks. I have lots and lots of ducks. Oh, they're running away. All right. Goats, stop scaring the ducks. What are you guys doing? Oh my God. I see the goats are excited. All right, time to go home and get the house warmed up. I don't think I'm going to be unloading this today. Oh. Good morning. Well, I'm feeling pretty crappy this morning. I got some kind of cold, so I just came back from the work trip, which is why hush you, which is why I was able to go down and grab the milling machine. It's -4, which the good thing is the mud is frozen, which will make unloading the machine better. It looks like the ducks are happy. They are out and about. I noticed that they have joined the goats in nagging at me. So they have learned very quickly. Good job. Good job, ducks and goats. All right. I feel like crap. So the only thing I'm doing today is... Would you just hush? Thank you. Oh my God. So the only thing I'm doing today is unloading this milling machine, getting firewood, feeding the animals, because I can see it's starting to snow. Excellent. This is great. Feeling like crap does not mean that you can't do things, that you are not doing anything. Anyways, whatever. I'm tired. You! Quit it! Exactly. Okay, I gotta unpackage this thing. Then I have to fire up the backhoe. As much as I would love to lift this up with the tractor can't lift that much weight because this is over 3,000 pounds. Or close to 3,000 pounds. So I gotta get the backhoe up and running. So hopefully that does not fight me. Is there anything else? I don't know. I'm feeling like crap. Alright, gotta get shit done. Don't piss me off today. Okay, Okay, the unveiling of the new machine. I know, it doesn't look like much, does it? Well, for those of you that don't know what you're looking at. But, so this is going to be a challenge because the backhoe barely goes high enough. And I got to figure out how I'm going to rig this. Because I don't have any good hookup points. So I'm probably going to have to run a chain through here. And it's going to be a bit sketchy, which I don't want to do with an expensive milling machine. But I don't have a choice. So, yeah. To add to it, to the difficulty of this is I can't lift this machine up from the bottom, which wasn't going to do me much good right now anyway. But the lifting points are not kind of centered, so it's going to try to rotate it a bit. So I got to plan for that as well, so I don't damage any of the controls, the motor, or anything like that. So this is going to be a very delicate process that's going to be hard. Then I picked up these machine dollies, made in China, so pretty much divide what they're rated for by half and you'll be fine, which is still plenty for what I'm doing. So I'll set the machine up on this in the shop, and then I'll be able to wheel it into position a lot easier, because I wasn't sure how I was going to do that because it goes underneath the mezzanine, so I can't really drive it in there with the backhoe. Okay, I got to figure out rigging on this, so I'm gonna see what I can come up with. Okay, I have a plan of sorts. I am going to use chain, and I think I have it secured well enough around the bucket that it's not going to be a problem. I hope I have enough clearance to the motor and the spindle and everything else. So this is going to be an experiment, like most things. Okay, as promised, I'll go feed the goats and ducks. Not that I think the goats deserve it. Okay. The sacred bucket. Here comes the sacred bucket. Oh, yes. Yes, freeloaders. How come, like, why don't you guys do something? Yeah? Bring the firewood into the house. Be a bit more useful. Could you do that? No. You're not going to do anything. You're just going to whine at me so I feed you more. Oh, water froze up a bit. Excuse me. Yes, hi. What's this? Oh, look at this. Look at this. Hi. Would you like some? Okay, come on, come on. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Hey. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey, come on. Get out of the way. Get. Here. There you go. Some over there. Some over here. Spread you guys out. All right. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? No, you're still skittish. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me, I'm eating. Don't touch me, I'm eating. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Let's go see how the ducks are doing. Hopefully they're quacktastic. Try to sneak up on them. Hi, ducks. Hello. Oh, so scared. So scared. All right, I need my other hand to open this. So they've gone through and they've eaten a fair bit of this food, but it's nice to see that the goats haven't gotten into this and they haven't broken it. Well, I'll give you guys a little bit more. Here, close up on the ducks. There we go. Hi, guys. Quack, quack, quack. Yeah, quack, quack. There you go. All right, let's get you some more food in here. I'll temporarily close this up in case there's some goats coming over, but I'll go top that off and that'll make the ducks happy. I think next time what I'll do is I'll actually bring those ports lower down. I didn't realize exactly how inefficient that one's going to be, so I'll do another bucket like that and I'll just bring it lower down so that they can eat further down if I'm gone for a little bit longer. Plus they're going to start to forage too, so and I'm going to let them out of there so that they can go hang out in the pond that I've got at the back over here, which I'm sure they'll be happy about. All right, I feel like crap. Getting some firewood and I'm going back to bed. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. See you on the next crazy adventure.